I have here the number of colored cards I saw today, and now I want to present this data in a graph, and we can easily do that using an extension called Matplotlib. Now some of you may have not heard of this extension, or you don't have it. So Matplotlib is a module in Python that allows you to create graphs of any sort. And to install it, you open your terminal. So once you have the module, you start off by import matplotlib.pyplot. This is the function inside the module that allows us to draw graphs, and we import it as plt. Now once you have that, we want to start off by drawing a graph, a bar in the bar chart. So we're going to go plt.bar, and we need to name the bar, and we'll call this red cars. And then we need to input the number of the height. So since we already have a variable, we're just going to write red. Next, we're going to do the same with the blue bar, green bar, purple bar, and the other bar. Now once you've done that, we want to add a title. So we're going to say plt.title bracket, and then we're going to write how many colored cars did I see today. And we want to show the graph, so we're going to go plt.show. Now if we run this, it will load the program, and we have the graph right here. As you can see, we have red cars somewhere around 2045, the blue cars around 3073, green cars around 1024, purple cars around 7021, and other cars at 95,670. You can zoom in close enough and you see 2045 for red.